Okay, on problem number 3, it says find the product AB given that, and these are nested roots, they're infinitely nested. So what I'll do is I'll go to the whiteboard and write down what A is, write down what B is, and try to figure out what the product A times B is, all right? So let's go to the whiteboard, and we're on problem number 3. Now, let me write this down for you. I know A is equal to, and what's it equal to? The root of 6 plus, and again, this goes on forever, by the way. These are nested roots. 6 plus, I think you get the idea. It's a nightmare nesting. There's no doubt about it. It goes on and on and on. All right, but what's B going to be equal to? Let's write this down. It's going to be 9 plus, and again, this goes on forever too. It's 9 plus 9 plus. Well, what I notice immediately is that A is actually equal to, let's be careful about this. I'm going to square both sides. And what do you get? A squared is equal to 6 plus, again, I'm squaring this over here, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus, I think you get the idea. What do I notice? This thing is still A. So I can write this down. A squared is equal to 6 plus A, right? Now, having made that observation, I think it's pretty easy to say that B squared is going to be 9 plus B, right? That's what it's going to be. Now, of course, before I go on, I want to claim to you that A is a positive number and B is also a positive number, all right? Now, what do we got to do? We got to figure out what A is and what B is. And I think I can do that. And the way I'm going to do that is, I can see if I can factor these guys. So what do you get? You get A squared minus A minus 6 equals 0. Let's see what you get over there. You get A, 0, 3, and 2 minus plus. A equals minus 2 or A equals 3. That's not possible. A's got to be positive. So I know A is 3. Now, my other question is, I wonder if I could do this too. Let's write this down. So what are you going to get over here? You're going to get B squared minus B minus 9 equals 0. And this is not factorable using integers. Not factorable over the integers. So what I'm going to do, quadratic formula, B equals, and I got to write this down now, 2, 1 plus minus 1 minus 4, 1, and then minus and minus 9 is going to be, I'm going to put plus 9 over here. So we get B equals 1 plus or minus the square root. Well, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 1 is 37. But again, I know B is positive, so B can be only this number over here. It can't be both of those. Let me just write them down both for you. It's going to be 1 plus root 37 over 2, or B would be 1 minus root 37 over 2. That's definitely a negative number. This is out of the question. B is a positive number. So what are they asking for? I guess they're asking for the product. Let me go back and look at the question again, because I'm working from memory, and I can't remember good. Oh, they want to find A times B. That's all they're asking me to do now. So A times B. What's A? We already determined A was 3. What's B? It's this number right over here, which is 1 plus root 37 over 2. Let me just multiply that out. You get 3 plus 3 root 37 over 2, and we are now done. Thank you.